Hi, I'm AJ Albeliver from Section 3-14. The novel I've been sharing with you today is Tuesday with Maury by Mitch Albom. A powerful true story about life, love, and what it really means to live well. Before I begin, let me ask you this. If you knew your time was running out, what final lesson would you want to share with the world? That's exactly what Maury Sorge does in this unforgettable story. Tuesday with Morris tells a story of a young man, Mitch Albom, and his former college professor, Maury Sorge. Year after graduation, Mitch has become a busy sport journalist, successful in the outside, but disconnected and overwhelmed in the inside. One night, he sees Morris on the TV's interview. Morris is now old, fragile, and slowly dying from ALS, a disease that weakens his muscle until he can no longer move or speak. Moved by the sight of his former mentor, Mitch decides to visit him. That one visit turns into a series of the Tuesday meeting, what they call their final class, with no tests, no grades, just conversation about life. Every Tuesday, Mitch flies in to sit with Maury, and together they talk about some of life's biggest topic, like love, family, work, again, forgiveness, and death. Maury shares his wisdom, his with warmth, humor, and honesty, even though his body is breaking down and his spirit remains full of light. He teaches Mitch and all of us that our culture often distracts us with ambition and busyness, but is the real meaning of life come from connection, compassion, and giving. One of Morris' most memorable quotes is, "Once you learn how to die, learn how to live." As the week passed, Mitch started to change. He began to reflect his own life on what he's been chasing and what he's been missing. Maurice encouraged him to reconnect with his feelings, to slow down, and to open his heart. Maurice says, the important things in life is to learn how to give out love and to let it come in. Mitch started to let go of the pressure to succeed and began to understand what really matters: kindness, relationship, and making peace with yourself. On their last Tuesday together, Maury can barely speak, but even in the moment, he tells Mitch, "I love you," and Mitch finally says it back. Maury passes away shortly after, but the lesson he left behind live on. Mitch writes this book to honor his friend and teacher, and to pass on Maury's wisdom to the rest of the world. Reading Tuesday with Maury made me realize how often we forget to be present and how easily we get caught up in this thing won't really matter in the end. Maury reminded me and all of us that death is not something to fear. It's a mirror that helps us to see life more clearly. As he say, death ends a life, not a relationship. This book is not just about dying, it's about truly living. That's why I believe everyone should read it. It will make you think, reflect, and hopefully love a little more deeply.